What is going on, everybody? Welcome to Classy Tacos. Thanks for stopping by. Got to give a shout out to Veritas Coffee here, local, always supporting me. Love them. Great coffee. Can't go wrong. Make sure to give them a shot. Make sure to check them out, guys. So what are we doing today? Today we're going to talk about this GX460 that we have in the garage now. So wifey got a new grocery getter, and guess who gets to work, build, and have some fun with it? Super excited about the GX460. I think it'll be like a fun build. Also pretty dope to do some mods on. I'm probably going to keep it easy, maybe like a 3-inch lift, but we're definitely going bigger tires and wheels. We'll talk about gearing and lockers and everything else maybe when we get there. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it for this one because I'm still looking for a 470. But before we get into the older GX for me that I can mod exactly how I want, let me give you a quick walk around on this GX460 so you guys can see it and kind of see the inside. I did also want to take a second and just say, like, I'm not done working on the taco. I still got more stuff that I want to do to it. I'm just kind of waiting on parts. So I have the Archive Garage extended travel rear kit sitting right there. I just don't have the shocks. So if anybody's looking for King shocks, you know how that's going right now. I got months of wait. So I'm just not done with the taco yet. I also wanted to give you guys an update. I haven't posted here too often because the holidays for me are like super busy with family. I also have a bunch of stuff going on in the backyard. I have some of those videos that I just started kind of on my other channel. So if you're interested in that, like the other day I took out a massive sago palm and I recorded that. So it's there. I used the winch on the taco, so it worked out well. So that's kind of what's going on right now. Also kind of an update too. We have the Federal 4x4 boys and then also the Southern Overlanders. We are going out to Utah for the Team 4Runner experience. It's going to be happening on March the 1st. So I got a big trip coming up. So I'm going to start kind of prepping the truck for Utah because that's going to be an entire week of basically driving and wheeling. So I got a couple installs getting ready for the Utah trip. And then I will slowly bring the GX on. Probably going to start with some small type of light mods until I figure out exactly what lift I want and what I want to do with it. I'm trying to make it so that it's still kind of fun for her to drive. Still okay to take the kids to school and everything else. We're not going to go nuts with it. I mean, I would love to do some Dana 60s and just go crazy, but that's not going to happen. Probably going to be nice type of around a 3-inch lift. I would love to get some 35s on, but we'll see how much trimming it's going to take to get 35s because I'm already getting prepared for like CMR. The bags are going to be gone in the back, brake lines, everything, just little by little. I'm going to take it into the first quarter of this year. The trip in Utah is in March, hopefully around that time too. In between now and March, I'd love to find a 470 for me, so kind of like my side chick. But I'm having a hard time finding one that isn't just completely clapped out. Like, I still want it to be kind of decent and clean. And on that one, I really want to go all out. Like, I think we're going to go like 6 inches. I want long arms. I want to have some fun with it. Just to type of create a GX that might be a little bit different. And I might be getting ahead of myself. 6 inches might be nuts on a GX, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I want to get it here and have fun with it. But that's basically what I have going on right now. So we have new ride that we're going to start working on, this 460. A bunch of work going on in the backyard, so my videos might not be every week. I might be transitioning to every 2 weeks just because I have so much going on right now. And then waiting on parts for the Tacoma. And I'm taking the Tacoma to Utah with all of our boys. So it should be fun. That video is going to be coming out. I also picked up a new camera, the Insta360. So I'm like learning that and kind of working through that. So I'm hoping to have a good idea on how to use it and how to film with it when we go to Utah, because that one's getting stuck on the Tacoma. And I'm thinking about buying like a really long pole so that I can like attach it to the bed, and that way it's videoing from like really high, so you'll get to see the whole like landscape that we're on. So should be fun and interesting. So just stay around, you know, hang out. If you're interested in seeing more stuff on the 460, definitely let me know down below. We'll start incorporating maybe some light mods at first and then go a little heavy as, you know, we progress through it. It is wifey's grocery getter, and but she's excited. She's ready. She wants to see it lifted. Showed her a couple photos of some 460s out there, and she was like, "Oh yeah, we're ready. Let's do this." So we are all in. If for any reason, if you guys did want to see any progress in the backyard, I'll just send you over to my other channel. I'm gonna put all of those videos there. Basically like a deck, covered area, summer kitchen, all that stuff is going in. I already got a new skimmer back there. It's just a bunch of work, so that's kind of what I'm going on. And then in regards to the 460 itself, I don't ever buy new vehicles. I always look for kind of like decent mileage older rims. And for this one in particular, this is like their luxury model. I call it the Lux just to mess around with the wifey. But this one is the one that has, for her, she just really wanted to have heated and cooled seats. And as far as I can tell, all the searching that I've done, only the kind of upper models have that. This one also has the AC in the back, so that's important for me. It's not just like the vents in the center console. It's like, you know, vented along the roof. Also has heated seats in the back for the kids because, you know, they like that. What else? So yeah, that's basically this one. So in the little times that she does let me drive it, I feel like it drives amazing. Even though it has a smaller engine than the Tahoe that we had, it drives so much better than the Tahoe, and it almost like it picks up quicker, which is pretty cool. We've had it now for, I want to say, right around 2 weeks, and so the first thing I did right away was take it up to Tint Man up here in Longwood. If you're in this area and you need tints, that is the place to go. These guys are on point. They know what they're doing. Tint Man in Longwood, put a couple of photos up. So that was the first mod that I did. And I just basically did just ceramic tint. And if you kind of communicate with them, they have different levels of tint, which is pretty dope. Just hit them up, Tint Man in Longwood. Make sure you let them know Classy Taco sent you. Also, you can talk to them about tinting your sunroof. So our sunroof didn't have any tint. And they'll kind of guide you through because they don't want to put any dark tint on there. You're going to get like just a ceramic tint that'll actually just block the heat, which is kind of cool. So you can still have some sun and it just won't get as hot. If there's anything that you guys definitely want to see for the 460, let me know in the comments, because, you know, this one's going to be new to me. I've never worked on a 460 before, so we're going to have some fun with it. But as always, I just want to say thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out. I just want to make it a good year. Let's just have some fun and do what we got to do. So you guys stay safe out there.